Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Jorge the Mentor, and today I want to talk about why most Airbnb hosts fail. Most businesses that fail in general in the US are because they're self-employed businesses, meaning it's one person. Now, there's a challenge that a lot of self-employed entrepreneurs struggle with, and that's with the mindset that if I want things done right, I have to do it myself. Now, what happens is they get very emotionally involved in their business. They get frustrated. They make up all these stories and problems in their head that don't even exist. And most businesses that do succeed in the US are franchises that are operated by systems and processes, not by people. If your business depends on you for it to be successful, your business is gonna have challenges. If your business depends on systems to be successful, then your business is more likely to thrive. So as an Airbnb host, when you're doing everything, all the communications, approving requests, answering questions, handling the cleaning, handling the maintenance, and all the repairs, it is very, very challenging. What I have learned is to learn to trust, delegate, and automate. I train my staff properly. I trust them. I automate the business. That allows me to work on the business and not in the business. So I'll give you an example. Here are the things that I don't do in my Airbnb business, and the things that I do. I don't do any of the communications, no cleaning, no repairs or maintenance, and I certainly don't meet every single host or any of the hosts at all. I have systems in place. When my Airbnb guests show up, there's an automated digital code that they receive 4 to 7 days before arrival where they can self-enter. Therefore, and it's common whenever they have a late check-in or it's because they're flying in, they got a late flight, they can check in whenever they want after 3 o'clock. It doesn't require me or any of my staff to be there. They receive a YouTube link that's unlisted that actually shows them how to get in as soon as they get out of their car. So you see, I've created all these systems and processes to allow me to work on the business and not in the business, because I know that I and you did not start an Airbnb business to create another 9 to 5, to create another job where we don't have time to do the things that we enjoy with the people that we love. Therefore, it's important for us to learn how to automate and delegate. And here's the thing, most of us didn't learn about this in school, so how are we supposed to learn? So of course, over the years, I've read plenty of books, attended trainings and seminars and hired mentors, and that's why I've learned to do these things. These things are not things that I learned from my family or in school. I'm just like many of you who didn't have these things. So I took the initiative to educate myself. So I hope this video was valuable for you guys, especially if you're a brand new Airbnb host. It's okay if you do these things at the beginning because you need to learn, but eventually you need to learn how to trust, delegate, and automate your business so that you have a business that works for you and not you for the business. If you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, and more importantly, hit the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and check out the description below where I have a link to my brand new Airbnb host for beginners. See you next time.